the ghee much. In goes 2 bay leaves and whole black peppercorn. Let it splutter. I'm gonna add the marinated mutton. I have marinated it and kept it overnight. Now I'm gonna fry the mutton. Here I'll also add, I have taken 3 onions, boiled, and I have made a paste. Remember, we have also marinated the mutton with salt, and this masala which I have made, I'm gonna add cashew nut and poppy paste. The rest of the masala that dry roasted we, I'm gonna put a drop of meat. Now I'm gonna cover the lid